Welcome back to Mr. B English channel. I'm Mr. B, your English guide, and today we're starting a special Christmas series.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy. I'm excited, but also a little nervous. Talking about Christmas in English sounds fun, but I don't know what to say yet.
That's perfect, Lucy. This series is not about grammar rules or textbook answers. It's about real Christmas conversations, the kind you can actually use with friends, colleagues, or foreigners.
So, normal talking?
Exactly. Simple words, real feelings. Short answers are totally okay. Lucy, when you hear the word Christmas, how do you usually feel?
I feel warm and excited, but sometimes I feel tired too.
That's very real. Christmas often brings mixed emotions: happiness, nostalgia, stress, or even loneliness. Here are very basic questions people often ask. Do you like Christmas? How do you feel at Christmas?
So I can answer simply, right?
Yes. For example, I like Christmas. It makes me happy. I feel relaxed, but a little stressed. Useful words to describe Christmas feelings: cozy, joyful, festive, peaceful, stressful, lonely.
So I can say Christmas feels cozy and peaceful.
Perfect. Not everyone feels happy at Christmas. Some people miss their family, feel busy and tired, feel lonely.
I sometimes feel stressed because of work before the holiday.
Exactly. That's a very common Christmas problem. Some people love Christmas. Others don't.
I like Christmas, but not the pressure.
Great sentence. You can also say, I like the atmosphere, but I don't like the stress. Talking about feelings can also include plans. This Christmas, I want to relax more. I hope Christmas will be calmer this year. Easy Christmas expressions: Christmas spirit, holiday vibes.
So I can say, I'm starting to feel the Christmas spirit.
Great small talk questions. Are you excited about Christmas this year? Do you enjoy the Christmas atmosphere?
Are you excited about Christmas?
Yes, I am. I like the holiday vibes. How about you?
I like it too, but I feel a bit tired this year.
Start with feelings. Feelings are easy to talk about and very natural. Christmas traditions make people feel connected and safe.
Yes, traditions make Christmas feel more special.
Basic questions. What do you usually do at Christmas? Do you have any Christmas traditions?
I usually have dinner with my family.
Useful words: decorate the house, have a family meal, exchange gifts, stay at home.
Sometimes family members want different traditions.
Exactly. That can cause small arguments or stress. Some people like big family gatherings. Others prefer a quiet Christmas.
I prefer a quiet Christmas at home.
Future sentences. This year, we're going to eat at home. We plan to keep it simple. Common phrase: family tradition. Try this question. What's a Christmas tradition in your family? Context: talking with a foreign friend.
In my family, we usually have dinner together. How about you?
We open gifts in the morning. That's our tradition. Talking about traditions helps you practice present simple tense naturally. Food makes Christmas feel warm and comforting.
Yes, Christmas food always makes me happy.
Basic questions. What do you eat at Christmas? Do you have special Christmas food? Useful words: roast chicken, cake, cookies, hot chocolate, homemade.
I love homemade food at Christmas. I eat too much at Christmas.
That's a universal problem. Some people prefer home-cooked meals. Others like eating out. Future examples. We're going to cook together. I plan to make cookies. Simple expression: comfort food. Easy question. What's your favorite Christmas food? Context: Christmas dinner.
This food is delicious.
Thank you. It's my favorite Christmas dish. Food topics are perfect for daily practice. You can talk about food every day. Lucy, how do you feel about giving Christmas gifts?
I feel happy, but also stressed.
That's very common. Giving gifts can make people feel excited, but choosing the right gift can be stressful. Let's start with simple questions. Do you give gifts at Christmas? Who do you usually buy gifts for?
Yes, I do. I usually buy gifts for my family and close friends.
Useful words to describe gifts: thoughtful, simple, expensive, useful, meaningful.
I like simple but meaningful gifts.
That's a great sentence. Common problems: not knowing what to buy, gifts being too expensive, receiving a gift you don't like.
Sometimes I worry my gift is too cheap.
Many people feel the same way. People have different styles: handmade gifts, store-bought gifts.
I prefer handmade gifts. They feel more personal.
Talking about plans: I'm thinking of buying a book. I'm going to shop this weekend. A very common Christmas expression. It's the thought that counts.
So the meaning is the feeling is more important than the price.
Exactly. After Christmas, people often ask, "What did you get for Christmas?" Context: after Christmas, talking with a friend.
What did you get for Christmas?
I got a scarf. It's simple, but I really like it. Talking about gifts is perfect for practicing past tense. Decorations change the mood of a place.
Yes, Christmas lights make everything feel warmer.
Simple questions: do you decorate your house for Christmas? What decorations do you like?
Yes, I decorate a little.
Useful vocabulary: Christmas tree, lights, ornaments, colorful, simple.
I like simple decorations with warm lights.
Some common problems: small houses, too many decorations, not enough time.
My house is small, so I don't decorate much.
Some people like big, colorful decorations. Others prefer simple and clean style.
I prefer simple decorations.
Future sentences: we'll decorate this weekend. I plan to buy a small tree. Easy expression: light up the place.
The lights really light up the room.
Good small talk: have you decorated your house yet? Context: talking with a neighbor.
Your house looks nice. Have you decorated already?
Yes, we did it yesterday. Use there is, there are to describe decorations. Christmas music and movies bring back memories.
Yes, they make me feel nostalgic.
Basic questions: do you listen to Christmas music? Do you watch Christmas movies?
Yes, I do. I watch at least one Christmas movie every year.
Useful words: classic, cheerful, relaxing, romantic, funny.
I like cheerful Christmas songs. Sometimes I hear the same songs everywhere.
Yes, that can be annoying. Some people prefer old Christmas songs, others like modern ones.
I prefer classic songs.
Planning examples: I want to watch a Christmas movie tonight. We're going to watch a movie together. Common phrase: get into the Christmas mood. Try asking, do you have a favorite Christmas movie? Context: online chat with a friend.
Do you have a favorite Christmas movie?
Yes, I love classic Christmas movies. They help me relax. Songs and movies help improve listening skills naturally.
So, Lucy, how do you usually feel when you spend Christmas with family?
I feel happy, but sometimes a little nervous.
That's very honest. Family time brings warmth, but also pressure. Simple questions people ask. Who do you spend Christmas with? Do you go back home for Christmas?
I usually spend Christmas with my parents.
Useful words: family dinner, reunion, noisy, warm, crowded.
My family dinner is noisy but warm.
Common problems: family arguments, different opinions, too many questions.
Yes, my relatives ask many questions.
That happens everywhere in the world. Some people like big family gatherings. Others prefer a small, quiet Christmas.
I prefer a small family dinner.
Future examples: I'm going home for Christmas. We're planning a family meal. Common expression: family comes first. Easy question: are you going back home for Christmas? Context: at the airport.
Are you going back home for Christmas?
Yes, I am. I want to spend time with my family. Talking about family helps you practice people and relationships vocabulary. Christmas changes the mood at work and school.
Yes, people feel relaxed but also distracted.
Basic questions. Do you have a Christmas party at work? Is work busy before Christmas?
Yes, work is very busy before the holiday.
Useful words. Office party, casual, relaxed, busy, end of year.
I have too much work before the holiday.
That's a very common Christmas problem. Some people enjoy office parties. Others prefer finishing work early.
I prefer finishing work early.
Planning sentences. We're having a small office party. I'll take a few days off. Useful phrase. End of year party. Try this. Any plans with your colleagues before Christmas? Context, office conversation.
Are we having an office party this year?
Yes, but it will be small and simple. Work-related topics help you sound natural in daily conversations. Travel during Christmas brings excitement and stress.
Yes, I feel excited but worried about crowds.
Basic questions. Do you travel during Christmas? Where do you usually go?
Sometimes I travel, sometimes I stay home.
Useful words. Crowded, expensive, exciting, tiring, holiday rush.
Tickets are expensive and the traffic is bad.
That's the Christmas travel reality. Some people like traveling. Others prefer staying at home.
I prefer staying home.
Future examples. We're going to visit relatives. I plan to stay home this year. Common phrase. Holiday rush. Easy question. Are you traveling anywhere for Christmas? Context. At the airport.
Are you traveling for Christmas?
Yes, but only for a short trip. Travel topics help you practice future tense naturally. Christmas memories make people reflect on life.
Yes, old memories make me feel emotional.
Basic questions. What's your favorite Christmas memory? Do you have a special Christmas moment?
My favorite memory is having dinner with my family.
Useful words. Special, unforgettable, meaningful, simple.
Sometimes I miss old Christmas times.
That's very natural. Some people prefer childhood Christmas memories. Others enjoy creating new memories. Future wishes. I hope next Christmas will be better. I want to make new memories. Beautiful expression. Cherish the moment. Good question. Do you have a favorite Christmas memory? Context. A quiet conversation with a friend.
My favorite Christmas memory is very simple.
Simple moments are often the most meaningful. Short, personal stories help build fluency and confidence. So, Lucy, after talking about Christmas feelings, food, family, work, travel, and memories, how do you feel now?
I feel more confident. Christmas is not difficult to talk about anymore.
Exactly. You don't need big words. You just need real feelings and simple sentences.
Yes, I can talk about Christmas in my own way now.
And that's the goal of this series. If you can talk about Christmas, you can talk about real life.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thanks for listening to Mr. B English Channel. Practice a little every day, speak slowly, and remember, be busy, be better. See you next time.